So we're up here at the Edmonds Classic Car Show. It's been going on for a couple hours now, but this is absolutely amazing. There's so much going on today.
Oh, you know, we're letting people try out the Segways. We're letting them get on, kind of see how they like it, having people get the feel for it. It's super easy. So we have just people just try on, have them get on, kind of do a couple loop-de-loops, kind of follow them around, make sure they don't fall, run into anyone. But yeah, super easy. Everyone's loving it.
Young man, you're slacking.
I am, yes. Sorry, I had to respond to a very important text.
I'll forgive it this time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I can't help but give him a hard time.
Just for her.
Oh, I want a thing?
Yeah, from LuLaRoe.
So it's been a good day. It's been a long day, but it's about time to break down as people are leaving, awards are being passed out, and it's been a good day for Segway. How do you feel about today? How did it go?
Oh, it was so great. It was so much fun. Sky, the weather was beautiful. So many people who were enjoying the Segways. Great cars. It was a really good time. It was awesome.
This is the most I've ever carried on a Segway at once. Okay, now to head back and get more. Is that everything?
And this is a real part of it. Yeah.
Oh, man. Do you want some help with unloading that?
Do
you want me to put the camera down and actually help you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Well, looks like the car show went great. We got everything back down here safe and sound, even with those crazily overloaded Segways. But everything went great and couldn't ask for a better day.